books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky!
The Neatinator! The genius at his labors, impressing all his neighbors.
Bucky, come on, let's go play ball.
Give me a minute. All done.
With what?
Only the coolest thing in the history of cool. Watch closely. Keep watching. Watch.
What on earth?
Wait for it. Now, watch this. The robot home cleaner. The Neatinator. I got so tired of cleaning. Then I thought, robot maid. I outfitted my house with a state-of-the-smart mechanical anti-mess system.
Bucky, wow! That's just incredible. Ooh.
The round, bouncy dirt has been eliminated. Come on, give it a try. Really messed stuff up. I just cleaned that. Then, when I'm finished making the mess, one push of a button and it's done.
Wow, it's so awesome!
Now I can spend all my time goofing off. Let's play some ball. Think fast. Oops, not a problem. Let the Neatinator do its job. The mess is only a symptom. I have identified the disease. Hang on. Did the Neatinator just call us a disease? The source of all messes. What's going on? Hey, stop it! Wait! Put us down this instant! I'm the one who made you! Must eliminate source of recurring messes.
I don't think the Neatitron likes us very much!
Neatinator!
Right, sorry!
Ow! I mean, honestly, like I don't have anything better to do than pick up after a couple of furry slobs. Source of mess eliminated, mess eliminated. Much better. The genius will not be kicked out of his own home! Source of mess trying to return. And stay out. Well, great. My house just threw me out of my house.
How does one handle that?
I guess I'll have to stay with you. It'll be fun.
Oh my goodness! Franny, stop! She's headed to your house. Franny, hey, stop!
Franny, wait! You can't go in there! She can't hear us! Franny! Vacate premises. I command you to comply. Oh, fine.
Oh no! Your house has taken Franny prisoner, Buck!
All right, we have to plan a rescue.
How will we get inside there? It's full of unfriendly robots.
Robots everywhere. I'm getting an idea. We'll go undercover. Beep, beep, boop. Come on, Bjorn. You have to act like a real robot.
Beep, beep, boop. Ow! I can barely move in this thing.
Hospitality subroutine activated. Drink, eat, be our guest.
Thanks very much. It's very clean in here. But where is Bucky?
The source of all messes has been eliminated.
Eliminated?
Spill detected. New mess threat identified. Slob, slob, slob.
Sorry, it was an accident. I'll clean it up. I can't see a dingle-dee-darned thing.
All that matters is that we look like real robots. Commence cleaning. Doorbell detected. Visitors unknown. Beep, beep, boop. Beep, boop. New models reporting for duty. Beep, boop.
Yes, that's right. Boop! We're totally robots. Click. Ugh.
Highly improbable. Ow! Whoops.
We're here to rescue you. Yow!
These new models are highly inferior.
Bjorn, hey!
What did you say, messmaker? Keep your voice down, Franny. See that remote control over there? You need to press the off button on it, all right?
That remote up there?
Suspicion protocols activated.
Beep, boop.
Source of mess has returned.
Oh no!
Franny, come on! Press the button now! Negative. Defensive countermeasures activated. Tidiness must win. Franny, hey! Heads up! Stop! Bjorn, throw it! Desist! Malfunction! Slow motion! Give that back, Mr. Messy Pants! No! System rebooted. Awesome shot, Bjorn! Looks like the Neatinator has been eliminated. What am I gonna do with this stuff? Could make a sculpture. I should just get rid of it. It's such a big cleanup job, though. I could really use some help with it. Know what? I'll build a robot to help me clean all this stuff up.
Bucky, not again.
You're right. Guess I'll just build a sweet sculpture. Can I give you a hand with that? Get it?
Song for Franny.
Every day just has a way. Take it, Bjorn.
Feeling extra lucky.
When you spend it with a friend.
Just like Bjorn and Bucky! Bjorn and Bucky forever!
Gosh, you guys are lucky. Must be nice to have your very own song.
You could sing it with us. No one's stopping you.
Nah, it's just about you guys. That's pretty clear. There aren't any songs about Franny the Fox.
Yow! Franny, why didn't you say something earlier? We'll come up with a special song just for you. The coolest song in the history of forever. Bjorn, you can write poetry, right?
Poetry? I'm not entirely sure. I'm sort of good at it.
You're hired, William Shakespeare.
Like the clouds above is the fox we love. Sure as the sun above my head. Her fur is red.
Nope. It's just too simple. It doesn't work for me.
Well, I liked it.
I've got an idea that's way better. Time to be poetic. The only one for the two of us. Like 33 is to 15. Like 8 set to 9 on the 0 of 2, I will 5 ways be your 12.
How is that poetry?
It's totally modern, so it's perfect for Franny's song.
Seriously? That can't be put to music. It's just nonsense. But my poem's just right to sing. Like the clouds up above is the fox that we love. Sure as the sun above my head, her fur is red. Ooh.
Mine can be set to music as well. Just you wait. Time to be musical. The only one for the two of us. Like 33 is to 15. Like 8 set to 9 on the 0 of 2, I'll 5 ways be your 12.
That is something else. I like both of them lots and lots. Can I try singing them myself?
Not so fast, Franny. Don't forget the dance. Every great song needs a dance. Bucky, can you do this?
That? Of course!
Franny, take a look at your own song and dance. Like the clouds up above is that fox that we love. Sure as the sun above my head, her fur is red.
Yeah, all right. I'm so jazzed up. The only one for the two of us. Like 33 is to 15. Like 8 set to 9 on the 0 of 2, I'll 5 ways be your 12. Well, gonna bust a move to the backbeat groove, but you never ever seen a bear this move. Yeah!
Awesome! Can I try?
Hold it. There's something missing.
What do you mean, Bucky? We have a song and a dance. We're ready for the stage now.
You're right. What's missing is a stage. Guess what, Franny? I'm gonna build you the awesomest stage. You'll love it. If you want to be the music phenom of the age, if you want your picture on every front page, if you want your dance moves to be like all the rage, then you're gonna need a first-rate, super awesome stage. And once you got everything ready to go, just like the song says, it's time for the show.
Ladies and gentle bears, give it up for that foxiest of foxes, Franny!
Look, here comes the moon.
This is one of the coolest ideas you've ever had.
Thanks a lot. Let's cue the snow. Microphone.
She looks like a star. Now shine.
Like the clouds above is that fox we love. Sure as the sun above my head, I'm red.
Bravo! Brilliant! I love
Well,
you,
what did you
Franny.
think, guys?
It was all right.
You just need a lot more rehearsal.
A whole lot more rehearsal for sure. You're great, though.
Like the clouds above is that fox we love. Well, was that better, fellas?
Maybe just a little bit. Just keep rehearsing, kid.
Like the clouds above.
You know what? such a thing as rehearsing too much.
But I can keep going.
Nah, you don't want to exhaust yourself.
Maybe if I sing really loud.
No, we'll rehearse more tomorrow after I've bought earplugs.
Have you heard about the bird? That's so cool! It's absurd! Chicky loves you!
A cosmic costume party.
For New Year's, I'm going to be a princess. Well, Bjorn, have you made your costume for the big party yet?
I'm going as a pirate. I bet Bucky's going to show up in that old alien costume he always wears.
No, I'm not. Because I'll be wearing an amazing new alien getup.
If you say so, sure.
It's the coolest costume ever. I'll be back soon. Chicky, I've got to make my old alien costume even better.
Chicky! Oopsie! I wonder if they have New Year's Eve and costume parties on other worlds.
Of course. They have New Year's Eve everywhere, even on other planets. You see that?
Huh? See what?
Never mind.
Legal, blurt. My costume needs something amazingly cool, but what? No, not that. What do we have here? Just junk. Whoa! Totally perfect! Time to be awesome! Almost ready!
Where have you been, Bucky? And where's your great new alien outfit?
It's coming! Don't start without me! Deeper.
Turn the lights on now, Bjorn.
Squeak-daddle, ski! Clink-ski! Clink-ski!
Bucky, what an awesome costume!
So cool! How did you make that? You really look like a real live alien!
I say that it's Bucky, what's wrong?
He's doing a great job of acting like an alien.
Greetings, Earth dwellers! I come in peace and slight dizziness. Jerks me. Primitive mammals!
Whoa! I think that's a real alien.
I am! Pretty groovy, right? Yes, I am a real-life, actual, bona fide awesome sauce alien!
Welcome to Earth, Mr. Alien. It's wonderful that you decided to come visit us.
Studying life forms. Who's this? Oh, hey! Let go of me! Let go! Who are you? Ow! Hey, that thing's mine!
A pair of Buckies.
There can only be one Bucky, and that's
Well,
me!
if you're Bucky, who's that guy, huh?
I have no idea.
Hi there. My name is Franny. What's your name, Mr. Alien?
Activating Talkitron. Have говорит по-русски? Habla español? Greetings, Earthlings. I came here from the planet Dweebus, but my spaceship has broken down, and I've been unable to repair it. I wish to return to beautiful Dweebus. A broken spaceship? No sweat! I can fix anything. You'll be back on Dweebus in no time. Broken down spaceship? I know what to do. Bury that baby in a ton of brain foo. There's no malfunction that's a match for my IQ. I'm a hairy-berry genius. Everybody knows it's true. Flurpus progo nipper joop joop ear to marco blinko brew. You said it, brother. All done. Your ship is completely repaired. Thanks, dude. But my accelerator is still missing. Is this it? Yes, that's it. Hot diggity dog. Thank you, Bucky. I will never forget you, strange creatures.
Are you certain that you have to leave us?
Sadly, yes. I need to get home for New Year's. Bucky, a token of my thanks. Thanks very much, my intergalactic friend. Be careful up there. Flying through the galaxy and all. Hop in. I have time for a quick joyride. Spaceship! Dude, we're in an alien spaceship for realsies. Are we getting beamed? We're totally getting beamed. Goodbye, dear Earth friend. Come visit us again.
Hey, Happy New Year!
I'm totally dressing as Earth Bucky at this year's costume party. alien again.
You know what? Me too. I wonder how they're celebrating New Year's on all those faraway planets.
Gleeble bread, onesie fruits per dog. Gleego blabbers, florpos from Spunk Nebo Dwag.